So students, which concept I explained on yesterday? Yesterday, which concept I explained? Student, which concept I explained yesterday? Can you tell me, please? Can you tell me which concept I explained yesterday? Can you tell me, student? You can't? You can't tell? Are you there or not? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So you are not telling the answer. Which concept I cleared on yesterday?
Yesterday I was not in class because the phone is not there.
Okay. Ojasvi was there. Ojasvi, tell me which concept. Which concept I cleared? Ojasvi, are you there? Other students cannot listen to me. Can you listen? Okay. So if you are not giving the answer, then I'm just explaining. Achha, you people, Abhinav, you said you were not in the class, but I sent the videos. Have you seen the video? I sent the videos for you. Those who were not in the class. Have you seen?
Sir, you explained cell range with another worksheet
Okay.
of copying paste option.
Okay. The next heading is, what are the next heading? That are
Formula error.
sorry, using sheet reference. This, I think this topic left now, using sheet reference.
Yes.
Okay. So basically, basically students, in this, what happened, if I do like, if I have a variable sorry, values 12, 32, 56, these are the values if I have, and I want to pass these values to another sheet. Suppose this is the amount weight, this is the amount of salary, S-A-L-A-R-Y, salary. Suppose this is a salary, okay? So, wait. Suppose this is a salary, students. So this salary, I want to add this salaries with the incentives in another sheet. Suppose I have some incentives like what is the salaries I have written 12. Suppose I have written incentive 1, 2, 0, 9, 7, 3. So these are the incentives, and I want to add these incentives to here. Incentives, and this column says salary plus incentive. Salary plus incentives. So students, how you will write this? If anyone will ask you, sorry, if anyone will ask you to write the salary plus incentive, so how you will write? Because salary are in different ways, salary are in different rows. So how you will write salary plus incentive? Can anybody tell? I have in sheet 1 1 2 3 4 5 5 values I have. How many values? 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Remove one value. Okay, 5 values also have. So I need this one, salary plus incentive. So you will add these values with these values and answer should be here. You need this answer, I think. So how you will get you will get, what is the cell address of this one? Cell address F7. So you will write here F7 plus, this is this is sheet 1. So you will write sheet 1 SHEET sheet 1 exclamatory sign. Then after that you will write here this column name, this cell name. So what is this cell name is? F12. So you will write F12. Then after that you can click or check button. Sorry, some problems. It's not giving answer, some problems here. Wait, students. If I here, then I will write sheet 1 plus exclamatory sign D2. So suppose I am here, so I go to this side, and this is G F7. So F7 plus name of this one is sheet 1. So you just copy here sheet 1 exclamatory sign, and you add this one, Control C, and this one here Control V. G7, not G7, this is F7. F7, then enter. Here the result is not coming, there are some problems. Wait, students, I will resolve this problem. Wait for a moment. This is sheet 1. So if you want to get the result on sheet 2, so go to sheet 2 here. Then after that type, oh my god, I was not writing equal sign. I was not writing equal sign. I explained you कि equal sign are used for if you write the formulas or anything. Do you remember this thing? Do you remember? Students, please tell me, do you remember?
Yes.
So why you are not confirming me, sir? You are doing this wrong thing. Sheet 1, then exclamatory sign, then what is the way? This one. Go to here, and you will press 2 exclamatory sign, 1 exclamatory sign, you will press enter button. You got 13, and after that you just increase it. You got the answer. Check it. 12, 13, 32 plus 2, 34. So you are getting the answer. Do you know how this happened? Let me tell you once again. You all are listening or not? First tell me this thing. My voice is coming?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so you will do this way. Suppose I have these salaries, and I want to add these salaries with these incentives with another sheet. Listen, I have salaries on different sheets, and I want to add this salaries with incentives on different sheet. So you will do it by the using sheet reference. How you will do sheet reference? First you need to write here equal sign, then after that you need to write here to which you want to add. So you want to add with F7, then you will write plus. After that, which sheet data you want? I want sheet 1 data, so you will write SHEET sheet 1. Then after that you will write exclamatory sign. So just above the tab button, Q button of keyboard, you will get the exclamatory sign. Have you seen this exclamatory? This sign, this one, the black sign. I'm sorry, this one, this one. Have you seen this sign ever?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these signs, after that you will write the cell value which you want to add. So I want to add this one, so you added this one. Okay, so you can directly write also, then press enter button. So F7 plus sheet 1 this sign, then F12, press enter button. You got the answer. After that you just increase this. Can you get the things what I want to explain? Did you get or not?
Get.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So can you do by yourself? Can you do this by yourself?
Yes.
Next student, formula error. So there are many types of error in formulas. So first one is, if you get this one, has, this one, this one. Suppose if you are writing anything and you got this type of error. So what is the meaning of this error? So meaning of this error is, this error occurs if the column is not having enough space to accommodate the value. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. That means this error occurs if the column is not having enough space to accommodate the value. That means if your value is so long so that your data cannot be inserted in particular columns, then this type of error will occur. Next error is has value. So what is the meaning of this error? It occurs if the formula contains invalid data. So formula, suppose you are using a formula and that formula is wants only 2 values and you are passing 3 values or you are passing 1 value, so there will be error. So this type of error will come, has value. Can you understand? Next one is has name. Yes, it occurs if the formula is used incorrectly. It occurs if the formula is used incorrectly. Is it right? Next error, has div divided by 0 exclamatory sign. This error occurs if the number is divided by 0. Is it clear? Clear to you? Next, one more error. Has ref. What is the meaning of this? This error occurs when the formula refers to a cell that does not exist. This is usually, let me write, then I will explain everything. Usually happens when the referred cell has been deleted from the worksheet. Okay, so these are the errors. So students, these are the errors. Just let me revise once again. Has. This error occurs, students, if the formula is not having enough space to accommodate the value. That means if the column is not having enough, suppose this column I am using and it's not having a space to write to accommodate the value, so this error has there will be written in this cell, the written like this, has this sign will be written. So if next one has value, so if it occurs if the formula contains invalid data. Invalid data means the data which requires you are entering another data, like if a function or formula required integer type data, and you are entering character data, string data, so there will be error. Can you understand? Can you understand, students? But if I writing SUM and Ramesh enter, are you able to see this? Has name error. The formula contains unrecognized text. So has name, when has name occurs, just see here. It occurs if the formula is used incorrectly. So if the formula used incorrectly, that means the value you are passing that is not used by that formula, then it is called has name errors will occur. Next error I will show you. Suppose you are dividing in number 1 divided by 0. Enter. So this is different thing actually. 35 divided by 0. So there are one function. Let me show you. Exponent square div equal to, if I write 12 divided by 0, enter, you are getting this error, has div divided by 0. Are you able to see this? Because if you cannot divide any number by 0, do you know this thing of mathematics? You cannot divide any number by 0. Do you know this thing? Do you know this thing, students?
Yes.
Very nice. Next error, has ref not. This error occurs when the formula refers to a cell that does not exist. Is usually happens when the referred cell has been deleted from the, that means this error occurs when the formula refers to a cell that does not exist. This is usually happen when the referred cell has been deleted from the worksheet. That means, suppose in a formula you are using equal to A1 plus A2, and if anyhow this A1 is deleted, this A1 is deleted, delete this. So you are getting this sign, has REF. Are you see this has REF? Are you able to see this? Please reply, students. I am doing hard work for you. I am doing hard work for you, not only for me. I did each and everything with practical. I am showing, and you are not giving answers. Then that will be the demoralized to me. That means demoralized to me that you are not understanding the things. The next one has REF. Are you ever have you seen this error here? When this will
Yes.
when this will occur?
Yes.
Can I show one more time? Let me show you. Suppose I have written A1 plus A2. So this will add basically this A1 plus A2. You see here A1 plus A2. So A1 is this one. Sorry, A1 will be other side. This one, A1 and A2. So you will get answer here. But if I delete this cell, these two cells, so that means if I delete this complete column, delete it. Then if the column is missing, then what value you will? I has REF. Right now you got.
Yes.
So I think you got each and every result. That means each and every answers you got. That means how this error will occur, how this error will occur. You got everything. Okay. Suppose I am dividing. Just see here. Divide by, yeah, multiply by 3. Enter. This is getting in the form of E. This is getting in the form of, exponent form. Do you know exponent form?
Yes.
So 10 E is called 10. Do you know E is called 10? I think you don't know. Okay, leave it. This is not in your syllabus, but these are all in your syllabus. So are you just confident about the error? If I will give any question in your examination, tell me if this situation arises, which type of error will occur. So can you tell the answer? If I will give some situation and I will ask which type of error will occur. So can you tell the answer in the examination?
Yes.
So just revise these errors. Has value, has name, has divided by 0, exclamatory sign, has REF. I have shown REF. Achha, one more homework for you. I have shown has REF, has DEF, has name. Okay. So this is your duty to do practical of this has and this has value. Okay. So when we will meet in the next term, then I will ask to you, did you have you done the practical of these two or not? Okay. This is your homework. Okay, students. Ojasvi, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I think this is enough for today's class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
How was the class? How was the class? How was the class?
Good.
That means you understood everything?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.